Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to write a programmer which can help me find the file size in a given folder. So first, I will import a Python library called Click, which is a tool help me write a command line based program. So here I will use a decorator called Click command, which means that this function will be a command. And I will write a structure here and call a main function here and call this function. Then I will add a argument, use click dot argument. Then I will give it a name. It's a path, and it have a default value, which is current folder, and pass the argument here as the function argument. Then first I need to get the files. So I need the OS library and use OS. Maybe I should try to use pathlib and OS. Both the library. I need both of them. And first I need to convert the path to a path object. So I use path equal to pathlib dot path and put path after it, make it become a path object. Then I will try to list all the files used os dot list directory and put the path in it. And I will test the program here. Let me try to use. Okay, nothing happened because I don't print anything. So here I will use some files to get uh, results and print the files here to see what's happened. I will use LH. Okay, and it can show that there are several files shows here, and I need to do in a filter, um, which will change only check the size of the files. So I will use list comprehension x4 x in os list directory path for os dot path dot is a file and put x in it. Then I will try to do this function again. Okay, here should be an if. Okay, then all the targets shows here are files. Okay, and I will try to get the file size using um, the OS path get size function. Okay, and I will try to iterate all the files for file in files, and I will use I will convert it to a path object. So I will reconstruct it by reassign it equals to pathlib dot path and put a file after it. Then I will give the file in it and get the size. And I will print the info first. Print the file and the size. And let's say what's going on with this command. Okay, since looks like this, and I want to make it a little bit more clear. So first, I will do something here. I will check the Maybe I don't need to convert it here. It is okay to find the file path. I need to find the max length of it. So I will got max line equal to max. I will write another list comprehension by compute the uh, lines in each in files for each file, and I will write uh, a string and put file in it and uh, size in it. Okay, and here it should have a lines and it should be uh, max lines. Then let me run this function again. There's something wrong with it. It says this value is invalid because I need something to represent it. Let me try this again and put it in another. Uh, okay, it looks more uh, beautiful. It looks better, and I will try to convert the file size. Use some function define each size, which means human readable size, and give the size in it. And I will compute it if size less than 1024 and return an f string which use the size with batch. And if if uh, 1024 lies equal um, size and lies uh, this value multiple this value, then I will return MB and else I will return there's something I need to do. I need to divide it by 1024 and I think it should be uh, KB here and MB here. Uh, else 1024 multiply 1024 lies equal size lies, and put return MB here, and finally uh, finally return GB here, and it should be uh, twice and three times. Okay, it's a little bit ugly, but it should be worked. Let me try it again. And I should put it, call it here, and put a size in it, and run it again. Okay, it will be something looks like this. and I may need to change it again. Let me say I need to make it only show uh, at least two float point of the value. Let's run it again. Okay, it show that something wrong. What I should do is uh, this value. Okay, let me try. Okay, I think there should be something. Uh, no formal code have full. Why it not work? Get the size and put it here. I should give it a lines here. Okay, I will use it's not a float value, so I cannot do it here. I can only do it here. Okay, let me do it here. It should be something looks like this and similar to here. Okay, let me run it again. Yep, this is actually what I want it to be. I wrote a simple program which can help me print the files, but I think there is something wrong if I change it to a different folder. Cause if, for example, let me set it to .git, and if I run this command, okay, it worked. Uh, it show all the files here, and if I change it to the maybe the objects and show the dir here and run the LH again, it's run. Uh, so I need to check if the file is none, then simply do nothing, or it will try to iterate an empty list. So here, if not fails, simply return. Then let me do it again. Okay, it worked. And I will run lh.help. That will print such a helpful information. This command can follow an option 刚刚 something with help or argument called pass. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching.